I'll talk about it in two perspectives. As a consultant, as a specific connotations, we'll talk about that. And also in general for anybody joining Tiger. You can think about anybody joining Tiger as a specialist in their particular skill area. So clearing the bar on that is very important. First things that I've observed about Tiger, especially when we were continue to do deep data sciences, who you call as a data scientist in Tiger versus what you will normally encounter in the industry, the order of magnitude in terms of the technical depth is very high. Same holds good for any area, right? It is a data engineer, data architect, or ML engineers, AI engineers. The depth is very high. So is the bar for consultants also. Now, it raises the bar even higher because consultants, the occupational risks sometimes you run into as a consultant is you're spending more time with PowerPoint than code. But Tiger is a place where the techno-functional expertise, the way you are able to blend these two is really the one that will help you grow because the industry expectation is higher and there are concepts where it's not just enough to be able to just think about ideas, think about putting these in documents, right, or PowerPoints, or even for that matter, even putting wireframes in UI wireframes is not enough. Can you at least vibe code, if I were to use the word, to a workable prototype? That is the bar for consultants. You can seriously add value to yourself, right? If data and AI as a space appeals to a person, it's probably one of the best places that you can be. I used to think about, right, it's almost like the Silicon Valley feel in Chennai, right? When I joined, we were just in Chennai, but now across many places in India and many places outside India, that's the feel that you get. It's not just about wearing round neck t-shirts, right? It's about really building cool technology in many areas across the data and AI ecosystem, but not just build technology for its own sake. As I said, many of our sharpest technical leaders are also highly business focused. So building this for a purpose, and that purpose tends to be making a difference for a client business, right? If that is the other part that you can truly learn about it. But when you do build some impact that you create for clients, when you build these high quality technology solutions, you also have fun. And in an environment where you feel like it's a friendly atmosphere for you to work in, right? I think these things, if this is what appeals to a professional, having their sights in a data and AI ecosystem is one of the best places. Or probably I would even say wearing the Tiger brand on my lapel, I would say this is probably the best place in my view to be part of.